Welcome, Marco. I am very glad to welcome you here in Smолян. I want to introduce to everybody that we already signed a contract with Skype on Planetarium, represented by you and your colleagues in Europe. And we are very curious to see our planetarium renovated in a few months. Can you tell us a bit more about the system and the technology and everything?
Of course. So the renovation of the Smolian Planetarium will be has already started, because we already started the production of the dome. You will have a 12.5 meter Spitz NanoSim dome, which is the highest quality projection dome available right now in the world. The projection system will count 4 4K native high contrast projectors with a total resolution of 6K. This will put your planetarium as the largest and the highest resolution planetarium in Bulgaria and also in the region, because if you consider the nearest countries, you will have the best planetarium in the region. This is a good achievement for the city, a good result, because the planetarium will not only teach the astronomy, but with a modern planetarium you can teach the earth science, you can teach different sciences or the climate changes, for example. So you can teach to the students how to use in a better way our world inside the planetarium, showing them real data from, for example, from the Earth science satellites.
What about the brightness?
The brightness, so we are considering 4 projectors, as I said, 6,000 lumens each. You will have 2.3 foot lumber on the dome, which is a very good result, brighter than a cinema, brighter than a normal cinema screen, and very close to an IMAX or a giant screen cinema. So the planetarium will be not only good for science, for showing astronomy, but it will be also good for showing full dome movies.
Okay, let's say a few words about the content, about the shows that SkyPoint Digistar.
With the planetarium, you are receiving, of course, our software, which is Digistar 7. Digistar has an history of 40 years. Digistar 1 was the first digital planetarium introduced in the world by Evans and Sutherland in 1984. Now we are at the 7th generation with the software. The software can show you all the known universe, so everything that is known by the mankind is available on the software. And but not only about astronomy, as I told, you can show the anatomy, the chemistry, the physics, the mathematics. You have a complete set of STEAM content, and then of course you will have the capability to show full dome movies. With the system you will receive about 13-15 movies, full dome movies, also in Bulgarian languages. And all the movies are scientific movies. They can speak about astronomy, they can speak about history, on other content, and of course the system is capable to play all the video that you want, or even make a live streaming if there is an announcement by ESO announcing a new discovery, for example. You can connect to the ESO planetarium, which is using Digistar as well, and you can receive the same video presentation here in Smolian in real time.
Great. I want to thank you once again that you're pushing all the deliveries, the Spitz in the United States, the projectors from Japan, and all the system, and we're looking forward to finish the project on time.
Yes.
As you know, our project is have the deadline to the end of the year. So with your efforts, I'm sure that step by step in the next couple of months, we are going to turn our planetarium to the best in the region.
We are delivering the goods between November and December, so everything will be here by the end of the year. And this is the best that we can do, considering also the air freight and the delays that you can potentially have. So everything has been calculated. Production, as I told, already started, and the dome will arrive here in the first days of December, and the system in November, early November, middle November.
We already received the telescope, which we are going to adjust its setup in the next couple of days. We are also working on the other halls apart from the star hall. So looking forward to finish the project.
Thank you to you.